Hey guys, about that time of year again. It's the fall, and right now I've just cut my grass.
So just keep cutting your grass as you normally do. Just ensure that you raise your blade roughly about 2 to 2.5 inches. This will ensure that your grass will have enough strength in it to endure the frost over the winter. So raking your leaves is a wonderful thing. What it does for you is it removes all those wet, heavy leaves off your grass, and it tends to smother your grass and can add mildew and can damage your grass. The other option is also to mulch your grass, or mulch your leaves rather. So you just remove the bag from your lawnmower, run the lawnmower over those leaves, chop them up into dime-sized pieces, and next thing you know, alongside with the fertilizer added, it's just going to add a lot of nutrient to your grass, and come spring, it's going to be awesome.
And I'm going to be putting some turf builder fertilizer made specifically for fall and winter treatment. And what this is going to do is it's going to fertilize my grass, going to put it to sleep for the winter, and come next spring, we're going to get some nice, vibrant green grass. So you got to set your spreader at roughly around 2 or 3, depending on what it says on the box or on the bag itself, and then just go spread away, and hopefully we'll get some great looking lawn come next spring. We're going to be treating our grass, and again, this is more of a preventative measure than anything else. I don't currently have any grubs, or I can't see it visually, but at the moment you can imagine that all the larvae are going back into the ground, and this is the time to really hit it with the treatment to kill off those larvae. I'm just going to be putting it in my Scott spreader, and I'm going to be spreading it throughout the grass. So I got my Scott spreader closed at the moment. I've got my bag of my grub be gone max. I'm just going to pour it in there. So right now I've laid down my my grub killer. I'm also going to be laying down some quick, thick grass seed. It's got grass seed plus a bit of fertilizer in there. Okay, and that's going to help my grass add some thickness and some denseness to it. And what that's going to do, as you know, you try to overseed in the fall, and it chokes out any sort of weed that you'll have in there. I'm probably going to be overseeding it one other time as we lead on in, and then I'm going to be adding the winter fertilizer, which is going to be absolutely amazing. But for now, I'm going to be using my trusty dispensary Scott's Whiz.
It's the Whiz.
It's the Whiz, and it's going to distribute this grass seed and fertilizer evenly throughout, and we're going to have some nice thick lawn. I'm about ready to get it on your toes.
So once again, it's very important to also aerate your grass before winter, and that will allow for an amazing airflow throughout the winter, and it's just going to go amazingly well with all the nutrients to soak down into your grass and just make the grass nice and green. Okay, so just to recap, we've gone over and covered fertilizing. We've talked about mowing of your grass. We've talked about leaves, bagging of your leaves versus mulching. We've also talked about treatment of your grass, aerating, overseeding, as well as pest control. So if we continue and do each one of these steps, guys, throughout this fall and put our grass to rest, we are going to have an awesome lawn come next spring. Hey guys, and thank you very much for watching, and don't forget, give me a thumbs up, because YouTube love thumbs up, and spread the gospel with your friends and tell them all about us, and we'll see you again soon.